welcome to my channel once again. In this video, I will show you how to rename column, reposition columns, and as well drop columns in my SQL table. Okay guys, so let's start with renaming a column. How to rename a column. Like you changing the initial name of a column to a new name. I would love us to change the name of an existing column to another column. So to change the name, okay, let's see how we can change this email to another name. So we are changing the name of a column to another name. Okay, so we still use this alter command. Then we say rename column, and then the name of the column you wish to rename, which is the email, to which name? A new name, right? So to, let's say, state. Let's execute this. So it's successful. If I select, you see that the email will not be there again. In place of email, you see state. So for customer ID, first name, last name, city, and state. No more email. So this is how you can always change your column names to another names. Next, let's see how we can reposition a column. Let's say this state is the last in our column numbering. We want to put it to be the first or to be next to a particular column. This is how you can do that. How to reposition columns. Use alter tables, modify state, data type. Then do you want it to be next to a column or first? For now, I want it to be the first column. So I'll say first and then my semicolon. This will automatically change state column from being last to become the first column in our table. Okay, we can as well check this out. Can you see? Before we were having customer ID, first name, last name, city, and state. But now we are having states, starting from states, customer ID, first name, last name, and city. So this is how you can always reposition your columns in MySQL tables. Let's say you want your column to change position from being the last to be next to a particular column. Let me just copy this so I can be fast. So it's almost the same procedures. What you just do is alter table customers, modify. Let's say modify this after the name of a particular column. Let's say after customer ID. You know, customer ID is the first in, is the second in the queue of columns, but now we want, is the first in the queue of column, but now we want state to be next to customer ID. So let's execute this. How was our let's check how, okay, customer, it's spell full, so let's spell it in full, customer ID. So let's execute this again, and it's successful. So if I should select, let me use my select all from customer. So let's see the rearrangement now. So can you see? Co- State now is next to customer ID. Can you see that? Remember in this other case, we made states to be in front. So next, let's see how we can as well drop a colon, not the table this time, a colon inside a table. Let's drop this colon called states. First, let's see, okay, this is the colon that I wish we drop, states. So when we drop it, this state will not be seen in our table anymore. So I'm going to drop it now. What you just do is alter table, drop colon. So you include that word colon, then the colon title or the colon name. So if I should execute this, can you see it's successful? So now let's select all from our customer table so we can see what effect it has on our table. Can you see now? So now we are having customer ID, first name, last name, and city. We don't have state anymore. So next, let's see how we can as well drop a table, which I will not execute here. So I can actually drop this table. If I drop it, that means I'm deleting it. But I will not because I don't want to delete it. But it's good that you should know how you can drop a table. So you use drop table customer and then a colon. If I execute this, my table customer will automatically disappear. Thanks so much, guys. If you are watching me to this end, that means you are enjoying my video. Please do well to subscribe to my channel as we will continue to upload videos that will be of interest to you. Thanks so much. Bye bye. See you in my next video on how to insert values into our tables. Bye.